Today we will further extend our study. Actually, we have forgotten to include one more very important ammonium family. See, actually, ammonia is nothing but it is a non-metal but behaving like a cation. Okay, behaving like a cations. Ammonium actually what happens? Nitrogen and hydrogen. Okay, these both are non-metal. But what happens? You know that suppose ammonia has got a lone pair of electrons. So what happens? It takes the protons from the solution. It forms a compound called ammonium. That is NH4 plus. So this behave like a cation, okay, but it is not a metal. So we'll study about that one also. Ammonium family. So let's study about the formula you have taken from here. This is the formula of ammonium. Please write the H plus sign above of nitrogen. Because the lone pair means nitrogen having one extra non-bonding electron, it pick up proton from NH3, it become NH4 plus. Because this electron lose, उन्होंने lose करा, plus आ गया उनका से, ठीक है? चलो आज एक और पढ़ते हैं हम लोग एमोनियम क्लोराइड. ये सीरीज लिखेंगे, ठीक है? Ammonium chloride. Name is simple only, just ammonium or ammonium chloride, ammonium chloride. बी आप लिखेंगे, चलो एमोनियम कार्बोनेट. कार्बोनेट एक पॉली एटॉमिक एनायन होता है, उनका वैलेंसी 2 होता है, NH4 2. ठीक है? आप लोग को बैलेंसी ठीक से पढ़ना है और मेटल रिएक्टिव की सीरीज अच्छे से पढ़ लोगे, आप लोग का कंसेप्ट पूरा क्लियर हो जाएगा. कार्बोनेट देखो, मैंने कैसे तरह सॉल्ट बना रहा है, वहां पर वैलेंसी मेरे को पूरा पता है. वैलेंसी आपको पता होना चाहिए और मेटल का रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज आप लोग को पूरा पढ़ना चाहिए, बाय हार्ट होना चाहिए. फिर आपके एमोनियम नाइट्रेट 3 नाइट्रेट, ठीक है? तो हो गया आपका एमोनियम nitrate, NITRATE, don't be mistaken. NO3 is ATE. Now let's come to number D. Ammonium sulfate. Sulfate has a valency of 2, so it will crossly multiplied. So this is nothing but ammonium sulfate, right? और एक लिख ली एमोनियम, अगर 3 वैलेंसी एक्सेप्ट करेंगे तो आपका फॉस्फेट दे दो, क्योंकि फॉस्फेट का वैलेंसी 3 है, ठीक है? एमोनियम फॉस्फेट, ये आपका फर्टिलाइजर यूज होता है. ये आपका फर्टिलाइजर इन अ फॉर अ fertilizer means you can apply in a paddy field or the cultivation of any crop. Ammonium phosphate is a very good synthesized fertilizer selling in the market. So when you see all the ammonium, how it is formed? Ammonia has got non-bonding electron. This is called non-bonding electron. Bonding electron all are there. 3 are there. This is non-bonding. In the solution, it picks up one hydrogen ion given by an acid is for NH4 plus. So here see NH4 plus Cl. Now 2 times. So this one all are ammonium. And this is a very good fertilizer selling in the market. So this is the end of this particular topics. We will jump to another topics next time. और कुछ भी आप लोग को डाउट होगा, यहाँ पर देखो ये आपका है नॉन मेटल. Ammonium is a non metal, no doubt, but it is behaving like a cation. This is, and here all these chloride, carbonate, nitrate, sulfate, phosphate, these are polyatomic enants, because this oxygen, phosphorus, sulfur, oxygen, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon, oxygen, chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine, all these are non-metals. And these are very good ionic salt. We are studying only ionic salt. Okay, till then, take care. Subscribe my channel as ever. Those who are new, welcome to Dr. Kurishi sir class. Those who are old, get in touch with me for the new uploading of the video lecture. Those who have not passing the comments also, please try to pass the comments. I will appreciate your comments very well, with wholeheartedly. And if you like my way of explaining, very simple, you have to remember the valency and all. Once you remember the valency and the symbol of the anions and cations, everything become like a water, very crystal clear. Okay then, till then, goodbye, thank you.